Welcome to our tinting channel. I'm Alex and today I'm going to show you how to make a Boulevardier.
Try that again and I'll... This is the police. Hey, go in there. Come on out now and give yourself up or we're coming in after you. Coming in after you.
Boulevardier is an almost 100 years old cocktail and was created at the Harry's bar in Paris in the 20s. Okay, let's start choosing our mixing glass. Now we start pouring the whiskey. Then the sweet vermouth or Vermouth Rosso.
This is the police.
And finally the bitter. We add some ice and stir time. Now we strain the cocktail into the glass. Remember to put it in the fridge before so you have it chilled.
Not on your life, Buster. I wasn't born yesterday. You don't frighten me.
Try that again and I'll... This is the police. Hey, go in there.
And finally, as garnish, we use some orange zest. And voila! That's all. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe. And the question of the day: do you prefer your Boulevardier straight up or on the rocks? Cheers!